guys, what's up? And you're watching Caterpillar Network. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to cut a flower design using colored paper. Okay, so let's start. Then I'm gonna fold it in half and fold it again. And we're gonna cut this out. And repeat it the same way. Okay, so after you cut into the far side, into the far squares rather, I'm gonna fold it first. Fold it again. Then when you reach the rectangular shape, you can just flip it over like a form of a triangle. And then you're just gonna cut it out like a C shape or oval shape, like a flower. I'm not sure if this is shaped like a flower, but oh yeah, not bad. So that's it for today. You can repeat it all, and that's it for today. You can use it as a design of your notebook, and yeah. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and you can follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network, and of course, do not forget to subscribe. So okay.